is the smallest, coolest in the Armaggeddon keyboard series. If you press the print screen button. What? Hey, what's up guys, it's Junchin here. Today I'm going to review a Armaggeddon latest brand new model keyboard. It's a wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. It's the smallest, coolest in the Armaggeddon keyboard series. There's tons of Armaggeddon gaming keyboard out there, but have you ever heard of Armaggeddon wireless gaming keyboard that can be used in iOS and Android devices by not plugging any wire? Bet you not. Let me introduce you the MKA-17 Avenger, a keyboard that has 2000 mAh to allow you to use it all day long in gaming and working. Just by pressing the FN, then you can see there's 3 language option over here. If you press the print screen button. What? The charging port is a Type-C charging port, so let's say if you don't like wireless or your keyboard running out of battery, you can always use the keyboard while charging. How awesome is that? The keyboard has 19 styles of lighting effects and they look super awesome and flawless. It will definitely spice you out while gaming, and they even have a software to customize the speed, brightness of your keyboard, and they even add an extra scroller to change your keyboard lighting effects. Most importantly, it is 1 time smaller than other gaming keyboard, which is very convenient for you to carry out. And that's the review for the brand new ultimate gaming mechanical keyboard from Armaggeddon, the MKA-17. Oh, almost forgot. So if you like this tee, this brand new tee from Armaggeddon, you can check out the link in my description below and purchase it, alright? I will hope to see you guys in the next video. It's Urgent Let's Q here.